This is a pretty straightforward water cooler, and I'll just kind of walk you through the main features of it. As you can see, I've just got a glass set up here, ready to go. And actually, I was just going to switch out the water bottle. This top unit up here has just, 3 simple controls. You've probably seen this before. This is for the hot water, and it's got a little bit of kind of a safety here set up, so you don't just spill hot water out all over the place. This is the room temperature, sort of shaped like a house temperature, and this is the cold button. Around back, there are a couple switches, and so you can actually shut off the hot and shut off the cold, and just run room temperature through all 3 ports if you want to. So you can just shut that off. But I keep that running because that's kind of the whole reason we have this thing. It does make a little bit of noise when it is heating and cooling water, and you can hear that if you listen closely. It just puts a little bit of noise out, and it's not totally silent. But I would expect that given the fact that it has a compressor in there chilling the water and also a heating element heating it up. And just to demonstrate from this angle, this is the room temperature water coming out, and it comes out in a pretty good stream. It's not like the hugely forceful stream, but it comes out pretty good. That's the room temperature. This is the icy cold, which comes out right over on this side, and that one's chilled. And then I will just mix in to this slurry a little bit of the steaming hot, and the steaming hot obviously comes out over here on the left, and you just switch it over this way before you push it. And it comes out really hot, like crazy hot. And then just so you can see how the tray works, it's kind of cool. It has a float right here, and that float, that little red guy, comes up when this thing gets full. And all you do is open the door up and pop off this tray. This whole tray comes out. And then I was just about to switch out a bottle, and I just thought I'd show you the bottle adapter. It has a long stem that'll go to the bottom of your 5-gallon bottle. And you just kind of shove it through the hole in your cap. Your cap usually has a hole. If you don't have that kind of a bottle, you can just take the cap off and put this guy on. And then the way this guy runs, it's not like a refrigerator where the bottom is chilled. It actually pumps the water up into the top of the unit. And so it actually stores, I'd say, like about a gallon of water on here. So when you run out of water, you're not out for a little while. It stores about a gallon up here that it is, heating some of it in a tank and then chilling some of it in another tank. So overall, I would say it's pretty good, and this is just a wider kind of look at it. I am actually going to set it back in this part of the kitchen right back here, but right now I just have it out here as I was changing the bottle.